In conclusion, whether you choose to use the paid or free version of Evernote, you've now seen how to collaborate. Just the ability to use notebooks or notes and work chat, those things can revolutionize an organization all by themselves. Understanding how to archive as the activity is occurring gives a team one place to seek its information. And this makes it more likely that the team is going to provide their input whether they're asked or not. Now, you've seen that notes can be tagged and tied to individuals with deadlines, so that even though Evernote is not a task builder, it can be used to manage people's activity. As was said earlier, being able to use Evernote as a shared space means that teams will be able to follow their teammates' progress while the progress is in motion. We've seen that the use of the work chat feature allows for both real-time and asynchronous communication, again, while the project is actually happening. It allows for teams to avoid working in silos by keeping each event archived in a note saved to a business notebook. And because all team members are alerted to updates, a team's communication can be as continuous as a project requires it to be. And finally, you saw the power of being able to document and archive processes and keep them within the team space, minimizing information overload. And with that, thank you for your attentiveness, and I will see you either in another video or in another course.